Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video on important articles in the Hindu, October 27. Um, I'll list out the important articles from today's newspaper. I believe that students have to go through the articles by themselves. It helps improve their English comprehension, which is also part of CSAT. So, but at the same time, my intention in doing this video is to help the students avoid wasting time on unnecessary articles. So let's start with the first page. Supreme Court pass orders and pleas in Pegasus case study. Just to go through this article, not very important, but this is also related to fundamental right, that is right to privacy. So UPSC generally connects fundamental rights to the present things that are happening in the society. So Pegasus spy issue is related to violation of right to privacy of the individual. So that is where this article comes in. That article is little, you can go through that. Next article is Supreme Court quizzes UP or death of witnesses. Not very important, need not go through it. And then this you see article, this guy Vankade rubbishes allegations of bribe. So this is not important for the GS part, but when you look at this article from ethics case study point of view, assume that you are positioned in this place, you are the officer on whom these allegations are coming in. Then what is your course of action? How you will go ahead in such case? So just think about such perspective. So this is a ethics case study. Possibility is there. UPSC will put you that it will ask you to assume that you are the person where allegations are coming in, and this is a very politically sensitive issue. Now what are the ethical issues involved? What is the course of action for you? So such kind of questions can come. Just think this issue from ethics perspective. This article is not important, and this article I won't care even court orders. So Siddipet collector. So this is important, not very important, but this also tells how you should not conduct yourself as a collector. You should not use those things, those words which are against the constitution, which are against the established provisions of the constitution. So this not very important, but just see the headings and just go through the introduction and conclusion part of the article. So next, going to the second page, not many important articles. You can avoid this page. Yeah, sorry. This you see cyber stalker arrested for harassing women. So now if you are the SP of that place, then how you would approach? Just think the points that you can do, what you can creatively do to avoid such kind of incidents, or to help victims of cyber harassment, etc. So think from civil servant perspective, that when you constantly think from civil servant perspective, slowly you will develop that skills of addressing the problem, and this is how you will develop writing good answers for ethics. Then if you are a fresher, then go through CBI, which act led to the formation of CBI. Is it a constitutional body? Is it a statutory body? So just this is a very important body, but it is not a constitutional body. There are demands for making CBI a constitutional body or a statutory body, but these are still in not taken consideration. Also in paper 2 there are there is a syllabus where we have to read about these executive, constitutional and statutory bodies. So in that perspective, CBI can be asked as a question. Just from that perspective you have to know about CBI. Then in this next page, same Siddipet collector issue is there, and apart from that, yeah, if you see this down, state omit 7 NS left canal components from Krishna River Management Board. So this is about interstate water disputes. Previously, essay was asked on interstate water disputes, and even in mains many questions have come on interstate water disputes. So just know which are the articles related to interstate water disputes. I think article 262 is related. So just in that context, put this interstate water disputes. Not very important, but just know that there is some issue going on between Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and also Karnataka. This all these states are having some kind of water disputes. So in that overall context, you can try to understand the issue. And in the next page, not many important articles. You can go through this. Supreme Court ticks off Arumugoswamy Commission of Inquiry. This is a commission of inquiry which is looking into the death of Jayalalitha, where Apollo hospitals have filed some petition against this commission of inquiry in the Supreme Court, saying that they are going beyond their jurisdiction. But the why I was asking you to go through this article is there are some good sentences that are used. Try to learn from these sentences and use such kind of sentences in your answers and in your essays. Like for example, empire playing the game himself. You can use such kind of figure of speeches or idioms in your essays. And also violation of principles of natural justice. You can use such kind of things in your essay ethics answers. And then fairy tale, Alice in Wonderland. So you can use such kind of things in your essays also. Then next, not very important. Then directly editorials. Safety first. Tamil Nadu must assure Kerala that all instruments for monitoring the dam safety are in place. So yesterday also there is a Mullaperiyar dam issue. Continuing with that, not very important if you have read, if you are reading Mullaperiyar case from last 2-3 days. Then the COVID article by Sonia Gandhi, not very important. Then re-evaluating the neo-Buddhist movement. This is a politically written article that BJP is accusing BJP and Narendra Modi of something, Bal Thackeray. So when you have such names in your answer, it's not very important. But from a general perspective, you can just see the growth of Buddhism in India, how the Ambedkar's converting to Buddhism has led to growth of Buddhism in India. For the knowledge purpose, you can just go through the first 2-3 passages and the last passage, or you can just skim through the article. Not very important, but for knowledge purpose, you can go. Then in this coup in Sudan, not very important for us. Just you can know about the power equations that drive the nations. Once Lord Acton has made this statement that power corrupts absolute power corrupts absolutely. So as an example, you can use this incident in your essays related to power. And for general studies purpose, not very important. Then you see the second page of editorials. Why India should not sign on net zero. A little bit important, continuing with previous articles that have come yesterday and day before yesterday. You can just go through that. Clearing the air on water. This is about the Tamil Nadu Kerala water distribution project. Not very important, but just go through these names: Parambiculam, Aliyar project agreement, and etc. You can also see something related to cooperative federalism, etc. there. So how cooperative federalism can be promoted when you have friendly relation with different states. So just go through this first 2 paragraphs. Not you need not go through the complete article. So next, this is important. Preparing for outbreaks. Ayushman Bharat infrastructure mission aims to build robust public health infrastructure. So this you have to make a note if you are preparing for prelims and mains. Just know what are the features of Ayushman Bharat in health infrastructure mission, and what are the how they are going to implement it. Just go through it. So this article is important from that health perspective. Paper 2, you have health as a topic in paper. Excuse me. Then Pegasus case, already we have discussed right to privacy. Updated NPR form appears to retain contentious questions. So this issue is important. You can go through this article. So this is part of paper one, population and associated issues. Question can come under there, and also in paper two, governance. Also already UPSC in 2014, I think 14 or 13, they have asked a question on NPR versus census means. Just so in that context, know what is national population register, what is a census, etc. So just get an understanding on these things. Then the next article that is important is this article. You see the Kiran Rijiju to discuss judicial facilities with state ministers. So there is something related to judicial infrastructure. Article is talking that judicial infrastructure is important for access to justice or to promote justice, and also there is a centrally sponsored scheme for developing infrastructure for the judiciary. So in relation to judiciary questions, justice questions, you can mention this as a point in your answers. So apart from that, next page, if you see, count on the not so big powers. And this is this is a part of paper 2, international relations. He's a former Indian permanent representative to UN. So this article is important from international relations perspective, how India was able to defeat the UK in this contest for judge of International Court of Justice. So try to know about International Court of Justice. Is it a UN body? Where is its headquarters, etc. A prelims question can be asked. Even in mains also, international organizations also a question can come. Apart from that, you see how there is this is article is a good article. You can just go through it once. Then this article, you see, Srinagar students booked under UPA, that is Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Just try to know about this act. Previously also in paper 2 a question was asked on this. So just go through this news and also try to find about UPA. Then CBI officials compulsorily retired. So there is a provision where in the central government rules, if there are some accusations against the officers, they can make them retire compulsorily. So under that, just a point can be written in your answers in relation to corruption issues. Then next article is center plans 2 mobile hospitals. This is also important in your essays, in your answers. You can write it as a point. We have to introduce mobile hospitals across the villages or in hinterlands, so that it helps reach the healthcare to those who are unable to access the healthcare. So in that context, you can use this point. Apart from that, if you come to international relations, China's foreign minister meet Taliban in Doha, offers support. So this article is important from international relations perspective. This axis of Taliban, Pakistan, China, developing the nexus and its effect on India's or implications on India's security. Just think from perspective. So this article is important. Just go through this. Then this also you can go through. Expedite talks on South China Sea. Beijing is asking Asian countries to expedite the talks. Then the next, foreign nationals flying to US need to be vaccinated. Not very important. Then you see this article is important. Iran blames cyber attack as fuel supply affected. So there was some mysterious cyber attack happened in Iran, which has crippled their crippled their petrol distribution, their like their petrol pumps, etc. So this can be used as an example in your paper 3 security, cyber security answers. Then yeah, if you come to economy page, tax revenue set to beat forecast. So this article is important. In this article, there are some many things were mentioned. For example, tax revenue. So know about what is a tax revenues, non-tax revenues, what is fiscal deficit, try to understand it. Then they are saying about disinvestment of Air India. So what is disinvestment, why we should do it? So listing of LIC, what is listing, what does it mean by listing, what is IPOs, what is FPOs. There are also, in the end you can see something relation to like Moody's, rating agency Moody's Investor Service this month upgraded its outlook, India's outlook on to stable and from negative, saying downside risks in the country and its financial institutions had eased. So UPSC will ask, sometimes you see something related to downside risks in the newspaper. What does it mean by downside risks? So know about this downside risks to the economy. Then apart from that, you see India needs to bolster its health infrastructure. He is AIB head. So he's talking that we should also not just focus on physical infrastructure but also on social infrastructure. So understand what is physical infrastructure, what is social infrastructure. These basics have to be strong. When you have basics strong, then only you can write a proper essay, proper answer. Because if you don't understand what is a social infrastructure, if an essay is asked on social importance of social infrastructure, then you will not be able to write a good essay. So understand the basics, understand the meanings of the basic words. So just go through this article and find out about physical infrastructure, social infrastructure. What is AIB, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Where is its headquarter located? Who is the highest like contributor to the establishment of AIB? Once UPSC has said that India is the highest contributor, but it is China. So this is how questions come from current affairs. So apart from that, there are like other articles are not very important. Then in sports safely you can just go through the headings and find out the basic news items. So that's all for today. Thank you.